Dear students, Cook Kids with Pia is presenting you a set of 15 questions based on the different events of life of Gandhiji. Solve these questions and evaluate your knowledge about Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian lawyer, politician, social activist and writer who became the leader of the nationalist movement against the British rule of India. Gandhiji is considered as the most amiable leader of the world. He has given the instrument of non-violence to the world. He is also called Bapu and known as the father of the nation. In this presentation, we are giving 15 GK quiz on the life of Gandhiji. Set 1 on the life of Gandhiji. These questions are very important to know about the life of Gandhiji. So attempt this quiz and evaluate your knowledge about Gandhiji. Where was Gandhiji born? Options are Rajkot, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Porbandar. Answer is Porbandar. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on 2nd of October 1869. What was the age of Gandhiji at the time of his marriage? Options are 12 years, 16 years, 13 years, 20 years. Correct answer is 13 years. The 13 years old Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi got married to 14 years old Kasturba Gandhi in May 1883. About how old was Gandhi when he reached London to become a barrister? Options are 19 years, 25 years, 16 years, 20 years. Correct answer is 19 years. At the age of 19, Gandhiji left from Bombay to London. He attended University College in London. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhiji? Options are Rabindranath Tagore, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Swami Vivekananda, none of the above. Correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Mahatma Gandhi used to seek the opinion of Gopal Krishna Gokhale through letters from South Africa. From which station in South Africa Gandhi was thrown out of the train? Options are Durban, Pietermaritzburg, Johannesburg, Natal. Correct answer is Pietermaritzburg. Gandhiji at age 23 was thrown out of the train at Pietermaritzburg. At which place was Gandhiji arrested for the first time by the British government for sedition? Options are Bombay, Calcutta, Ahmedabad, Pune. Correct answer is Bombay. Correct answer is Ahmedabad. Mahatma Gandhi was arrested at Sabarmati on 10th of March 1922 and sentenced to 6 years of jail for sedition. On which day of March 1930 famous Dandi March launched by the Gandhiji? Options are 12th, 11th, 13th, 10th. The correct answer is 12th. On 12th of March 1930, the Dandi March was started and concluded on 6th of April 1930. When was the Gandhi-Irvin Pact signed? Options are 1st of March 1932, 5th of March 1931, 10th of March 1935, 7th of March 1937. Correct answer is 5th of March 1931. The Gandhi-Irvin Pact was a political agreement between the Lord Irwin and Mahatma Gandhi on 5th of March 1931. Who given the slogan of do or die? Options are none of these: Subhash Chandra Bose, Bipin Chandra Pal, Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is none of these. Mahatma Gandhi had given the slogan of do or die during the Quit India movement of 1942. Who killed Gandhiji? Options are Lord Mountbatten, Ruskin Bond, Nathuram Godse, Satyaban Gokhale. Correct answer is Nathuram Godse. Nathuram Godse assassinated the Gandhi in New Delhi on 30th January 1948. Who is the author of Unto This Last? Options are Herman Kallenbach, Ruskin Bond, John Ruskin, Louis Fisher. Correct answer is Ruskin Bond. Wrong. I think it is John Ruskin. Unto This Last is an essay and a book on economy by John Ruskin. Which of the following, according to Gandhiji, is an essential principle of Satyagraha? Options are all the three: truth, non-violence, infinite capacity for suffering. Correct answer is all the three. Satyagraha is the most important weapon of Gandhiji. It emerged as a weapon of conflict resolution. Gandhiji's The Story of My Experiments with Truth was originally written in Gujarati. Who translated it into English? Options are Pyarelal Ji, Mahadev Desai, Susila Nair, Mangal Lal Gandhi. Correct answer is Mahadev Desai. Mahadev Desai was an activist of Indian freedom movement. He is best known for his job of Mahatma Gandhi's personal secretary. Which one of the following books is the work of Gandhiji? Options are My Experiments with Truth, The Discovery of India, Light of India, A New India. Correct answer is My Experiments with Truth. The Story of My Experiments with Truth is an autobiography of Gandhiji. This book covers the whole life of Gandhiji. When Gandhiji won Nobel Peace Prize? Options are 1937, 1947, 1939, never. Correct answer is never. Gandhiji never won Nobel Peace Prize, though he was nominated several times. Thank you for playing. Bye bye.